You know what? Fake hacks might go viral, but real teeth will not grow back. I am Dr. Vandana Thakran, and today we are busting some viral dental hacks that can actually ruin and destroy your teeth and your smile. If you have ever seen a reel with someone filing their teeth with a nail file or using a charcoal powder to whiten their teeth, then for the love of enamel, please stop. Hack 1. Whitening with baking soda or charcoal powder. Both the things, baking soda as well as charcoal powder, are super abrasive. They will not only remove the stain but will also scrub off the enamel layer of your teeth, making them super sensitive, and you will have to rush to the dentist sooner or later. If you want safe whitening, then go to your dentist and ask options for yourself. Because these DIY hacks, they look cheaper but they cost a lot more with your enamel. Filing your teeth for shape. For that beautiful smile, you are actually destroying your teeth with your own hands. You are filing away, physically removing that enamel from your tooth surface, which will never grow back. Okay? And it will lead to sensitivity issues for the lifetime. If you want a better shape for your teeth, then go check with your dentist. There are many options like veneers, compounders to give you that perfect dream smile. Number 3 is hydrogen peroxide mouthwashes. Total no. Because hydrogen peroxide might clean a little bit of stain on your teeth, but there will be ulcerations on your tongue and cheek. It will scrape off the soft tissue and you will not be able to clean your mouth properly after that, and there will be problem of bad smell. So always use the mouthwash which is dentist prescribed. Number 4 is gluing your broken tooth. Wow. Super glue belongs to the shoes, not your teeth. You know, I have had actual patients on my chair where they say that they have tried to glue in the dislodged crown or a broken veneer. This glue seeps through the nerves and into the gums and will definitely cause infection. And we might have to extract the tooth in this process. So please don't use that. If you need anything or there is anything dislodged or broken, visit your dentist and your dentist will suggest you either veneers, crowns or composite fillings. What you should do instead? Before trying any viral dental hack, consult your dentist or at least Google responsibly. If it sounds weird or risky, then it definitely is. You know what? Fake hacks might go viral, but real teeth will not grow back.